Hey everybody, so I got something random in the mail, a package from Amazon. Please stick around, check out the video, because I got a question for you guys. Thanks for watching. So, I got a package in the mail, everybody, so I'm not too sure at the moment what it is. It's slightly heavy. Oh, it's a crap ton of zip ties. Nylon 66 UL recognized UL flammability 94V-2. Do not open until ready for use. Okay, so there's 500 black and 500 white. Nylon 66 UL recognized. UL flammability 94V-2. Do not open until ready for use. Okay, so I was told that a company was going to be sending me something. They didn't really explain what it was. Question for you guys is it kind of stupid to be asked to do a review on zip ties? Because to me that's kind of odd. A zip tie is a zip tie. It doesn't give any information on, you know, its tensile strength, how much pounds these zip ties can do. It seems a little odd to me to do, or at least be asked to do a review on zip ties. From what I was told and what I had looked up, this package of zip ties for 1,000 zip ties, 500 white, 500 black, was $20. I can go to Walmart and get 650 zip ties for like $4.50. So you do the math, I can get 2 of those 650 package zip ties for $8 or so. So that's 1,300 zip ties for $8. So, you know, you can roughly get, for $20, you can roughly get like, I think it's like 4,000 zip ties. Hold on. Let me see. Let's see. So if I calculate $4.50 times 4, it's $18 even, which, you know, whatever the tax is, so almost 19. Excuse me. I went to the hospital today, so I kind of still don't feel good. So 650 times 4. I can roughly get 2,600 zip ties for around $20 or $18 or $19. So to me, it doesn't seem realistic to pay $20 for 1,000 zip ties. And these are just, I think, average length 7 or 8 inch zip ties. And the ones I'm talking about at Walmart are the hyper tough little round cylinders. You get like 4 different lengths, and they're $650. So that makes it, to me, it makes more sense. You get more length and it costs less. These are 8 3/8 zip ties. Let me know in the description or in the comment section, guys, what you guys think, because it kind of seems a little redundant to do a review video. I told them they can send them, but it's kind of stupid to me to do a review on zip ties, unless somebody in the comments below thinks that doing a review on zip ties would be helpful, but they're just zip ties. You know, nylon zip ties. I think, you know, it's the most common type of zip tie, and at least the zip ties I bought from, you know, Harbor Freight, and I've bought from Walmart, and I've bought from Tractor Supply and a couple other places, at least their information in their packaging tells you what their weight limits are for their sizes. So, I don't know, it's kind of odd to me. Tell me what you guys think. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, and it is Monday, September 30th, 2019, by the way. Peace.